Welcome to AI Shortcut, the show where we explore the latest AI tools that make a real impact on your business. Today, we're tackling a challenge many of you, our listeners in furniture manufacturing and retail, probably face quite a bit. How do you keep impressing clients, show off your products beautifully, and create a shopping experience that's both engaging and personalized so you actually boost conversions? So imagine you're a furniture retailer. Maybe you've got a tricky client. They want to redo their living room, but they just can't quite see it yet. You need a way, like right now, to show your products in their space, make it dynamic, grab their attention, and speed things up.
That's the goal.
Well, today we're diving into Fernie AI. It's a really cool new tool built specifically for the furniture and home furnishing world.
That's right. And what's key here, I think, is how much visual personalized experiences matter now. Everyone expects it.
They really do. So, we're going to explore Fernie AI's main features today. AI design, AI replace, and AI video. And we'll touch on AI background too.
So let's kick things off with AI design. This one is really about sparking that initial inspiration, getting concepts going. You start with a picture of the room unfurnished or needing that renovation. Then you just pick the room type, living room, kitchen, bedroom, whatever. And here's where it gets cool. You can use a design template from Furni AI's library. You have a lot. Or, and this is key, you can upload your own inspiration image. The AI takes that template, or your image, and applies the style, materials, objects, all of that, onto the original room's layout, and boom, you get a new, fully decorated image in like 30 seconds to maybe a minute. And we know you don't want to spend time digging through prompt tips, so we let the AI do it for you. Just upload a reference image, and Furni AI will generate the prompt automatically.
I see that.
Precisely. It uses AI to generate these decorating ideas.
Yeah.
But it smartly keeps the original room's layout, the structure, it just changes the look. You can get these images in standard definition or high def, and it's really just a starting point.
You can always tweak things later using the other Fernie AI tools. And we'll show you an example. We're going to transform this dated kitchen.
You just apply a new template, and the AI keeps the main things like doors, countertops, but it sort of rearranges and restyles them to fit the new look. Pretty clever.
Okay, that's great for ideas. But the real power for manufacturers and retailers is getting their products in there right. Which brings us to the most powerful feature in Fernie AI, especially for sales. AI replace.
Yes, absolutely. This is where Fernie AI gets really impactful for your bottom line. AI replace lets you seamlessly swap elements in any room image with your own product photos or textures. And the crucial part is it replaces the original product in the photo with your uploaded reference image. It's not just changing the floor or using text prompts like some other tools.
Okay, hold on. So I could upload my interior shot.
High quality helps.
And swap out, say, the sofa in that picture with my sofa using my product photo.
Exactly. It turns like all inspirational images into potential showrooms for your specific inventory.
That could seriously shorten the sales cycle. So how does it work? Is it complicated?
No, it's designed to be pretty efficient. Just upload an image, ideally something high-res and with good lighting. Copy it, paste it into Fernie AI, and then use the tools to fine-tune the replacement.
So if I make kitchen cabinets, I could upload a photo and then swap out their cabinets for mine, show my finishes, my door styles. So I remember trying stuff like that in Photoshop ages ago. It was painful.
Oh yeah, this is way smoother. And the tool provides two different models using AI replacement to handle this, Model 1 and Model 2. It's a choice between, let's say, precision and multitasking.
Okay, let's break that down. Model 1, single item replacement. What's the focus there?
Model 1 is all about precision, one item at a time. So a single door, maybe just the countertop or a specific texture patch, it focuses on getting that one thing right. And while the AI is good at finding objects automatically, Model 1 gives you really fine control. You can use a laser or brush tool to manually select exactly the area you want to replace. This makes sure the AI gets the space and the object just right for a really accurate swap.
I saw some examples changing cabinet door materials and styles, like from a slab door to a raised panel door from your own library. Or swapping out an appliance. And the AI handles the perspective, the angle, the size automatically. That's the magic part.
That's the huge leap, yeah. No more manual wrestling with perspective and lighting like in photo editing. Now, if you need to do more at once, there's Model 2, multiple item replacement.
Okay, multitasker.
Right. This lets you replace several things simultaneously. Think floor, backsplash, furniture, ceiling lights, doors, countertops, all in one operation.
So you could take a kitchen and Bam, change the floors, the cabinet fronts, the backsplash, maybe the bar stools, all in one shot.
Exactly. It's incredibly powerful for presenting a completely different concept quickly.
That's incredibly fast for client proposals or even just internal brainstorming. Okay, so how do I get my products into the system to use with AI replace?
Good question. That brings us to your asset library. This is basically your digital warehouse inside Fernie AI. It's where all your unique products, your textures, even your own templates can live.
Yeah.
And you can organize it logically, create folders for kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, maybe product types like rugs, sofas, lighting, or specific textures for floors and walls.
So it's not just a messy pile of images.
No, no. It's structured, like your own catalog.
Yeah.
And it's scalable, too. You can manage it at different levels. Individual user, mine, a whole team, or even across the entire enterprise.
Meaning different departments or maybe different showroom locations could manage their own assets.
Precisely. Everyone gets access to the right stuff for their needs. And here's a really big point. You can build this entire digital catalog without needing expensive 3D models. Just take good photos of your actual products, upload them, and they're ready to use and AI replace.
That lowers the barrier significantly. No 3D modeling bottleneck, just product photos.
It fundamentally changes how fast you can get new inventory visualized and in front of clients. Huge speed to market advantage.
Okay, so you've used AI design for ideas, AI replace to put your products into a scene. You've got this perfect static image. What's next to really wow the customer?
Movement. Static pictures are good, but video grabs attention. That's where AI video comes in.
Bringing designs to life, literally.
Exactly. AI video lets you generate short, dynamic videos from those static images you've created or modified. You just give it a single picture, then provide a text prompt, and you can do this in your native language. Or you can use the video templates, which is really handy.
A prompt describing what you want to happen.
Yeah, describing the action or the mood change, like pan slowly across the room or show sunlight streaming in.
Mhm.
The AI then generates a short video, usually about 5 to 10 seconds long.
I can immediately see the impact. Imagine showing a client not just a before and after static image, but a short video where the room transforms.
Right. Or showing how light changes in the space. It adds a narrative layer without needing complex animation skills or software. It's much more engaging.
Can you show me a few examples?
All right. One was taking a living room image and prompting the AI to close all the curtains, gradually dim the light, and show a cozy environment. It smoothly transitioned the mood. Another added a human element. A person walks into the kitchen and puts something on the countertop.
Whoa, adding people too? Okay, that's pretty advanced.
It is. You can use preset templates for common camera moves, zoom in, zoom out, pan, rotate. That's simpler. Or you can use the custom option with detailed prompts for more complex stuff, including adding figures. If you want to make your prompts more precise, just check the help desk up in the top right. There are tips on things like camera angles and moving people. It'll help you get even better, more tailored results.
Okay, one more tool. AI background. This sounds like it's specifically for product shots.
Exactly. It's a product staging tool perfect for e-commerce and marketing teams that need great visuals instantly. It solves that classic problem.
Huh.
You have a great photo of your product, say an armchair or a bathroom vanity, but just on a plain white background.
Yeah, those photos lack context, right? They don't always inspire.
Precisely. Normally, getting that lifestyle shot means booking a studio, setting up a whole scene, hiring photographers. It's expensive and time-consuming.
A real bottleneck, especially for new products or large catalogs.
Right. So AI background bypasses all that. Just upload your product photo, then either pick a background from Fernie AI's library or upload your own reference image. You can create really compelling lifestyle shots for your brochures, your website, online listings very quickly. You can even generate multiple options at once.
Wow, great for A/B testing visuals, maybe? Okay, so let's pull this all together. We've got AI design for the initial ideas,
The Spark.
AI replace to put your specific products into any scene,
The customization, the sales tool,
AI video to make those scenes dynamic and engaging,
bringing it to life.
and AI background to perfectly stage individual product shots without a studio.
Yep, the marketing accelerator.
It really sounds like Fernie AI is aiming to be a complete integrated solution across that whole customer journey, from the first spark of an idea to the final polished presentation.
That's definitely the impression. Streamlining and enhancing each step with AI. And it's worth remembering, AI tech moves fast. What we're seeing today is already impressive, a huge jump from older methods. But this tool is likely to keep evolving, keep getting better month after month. It's not static like traditional software often feels. It learns, it improves.
Which offers a kind of ongoing advantage, doesn't it?
I think so. It positions you to continuously improve how you visualize and sell.
So that brings us to a final thought for you. In a world where visuals are absolutely everything and client expectations just keep climbing, how might a tool like Fernie AI allow your business to not just keep up, but maybe even redefine that customer experience, redefine how your products come to life, especially knowing the AI itself will keep getting smarter?
It's a powerful question to consider. The presentation really encouraged users to just jump in and try it themselves.
Yeah, get hands-on. Seems like the best way to really grasp the potential here. It's definitely a compelling look at where furniture and interior design tech is heading. If you're interested in this AI tool, please find the link in the description below and feel free to contact us.
See you in the next video.